Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Unless you change how you are, you will always have what you've got. We can have more than we've got because we can become more than we are. The best time to set up a new discipline is when the idea is strong. For every disciplined effort there is a multiple reward. Discipline has within it the potential for creating future miracles. Affirmation without discipline is the beginning of delusion. One discipline always leads to another discipline. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. Discipline is the foundation upon which all success is built. Lack of discipline inevitably leads to failure. The smallest of disciplines, practiced every day, start an incredible process that can change our lives forever. Life is a unique combination of want to and how to, and we need to give equal attention to both. Your philosophy determines whether you will go for the disciplines or continue the errors. It's best to start the discipline of generosity when the amounts are small. It's easy to give 10 cents out of $1. It's a little harder to give 100,000 out of 1,000,000. We suffer one of two things: either the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. You've got to choose discipline versus regret, because discipline weighs ounces and regret weighs tons.